Sir, I should like to buy your finest poppy plantation. So in this video, I will be unboxing a Wolseley sun helmet that I purchased from a seller in France. Now, I did record this bit from a previous video about how I had one confiscated by a shipping agent in Great Britain, but I decided to split the two up as that video was running quite long, and I figured some people might not really want to watch a 15-minute video about arms regulation. So anyway, here we go. So you guys know what time it is. It is time for an unboxing! And this will again feature the world's shittiest bayonet. So, let's get started. Oh, come on, open! So I guess it might not have been a total loss, any of this. I do have to say though, whoever invented this bayonet really was not thinking about opening packages or doing anything with it, because it blows. And just like last time, we have reached the point in the video where the number 4 bayonet is absolutely useless. You know, you spend billions of pounds to make bayonets and can't even open a bloody package with it, so. Oh, and yes, the rusty children's scissors are again making an appearance in an unboxing video. They are more reliable. Actually, the bayonet probably would work, but I don't want to damage anything inside the box, and knowing that bayonet, it's par for its history. Woo! There we go. Packaging! Woohoo! Oh, look at that. Now, this is a delicate item, well, relatively delicate item that was shipped in the international post, so let's hope it's not damaged too much. Oh, is this French newspaper? Is it dated? This looks pretty old. Shit, no way. 1940. Maybe it's a reproduction? I ripped it a little bit, unfortunately. Wow. This person just tossed it in. 1940? Wow, pages of 1940 newspaper. That's pretty cool. That's a pleasant surprise. Shame it's in such bad shape. Now some modern French newspaper. In this video, we will be comparing modern French newspaper to 80-year-old French newspaper. Comment below what you think will be better. Just kidding. So, let's see. That's not newspaper, that's, Sorry, I'm getting all hung up on this. After the 1940 newspaper, you know, you might get something special in here. No, that's just a piece of shit. Oh, another piece of the 1940 newspaper. Trying to be a little careful. All right, everybody. Here she is. Look at that. So this here is a 1942 Wolseley sun helmet. Now, this one, is a little bit nicer actually than the one that you have seen on the set, because this one is actually a dedicated Cork helmet. The one that I have over here, actually, we'll bring it over. This one is one of the War Economy helmets that is made out of pressed felt. And so these are the two. The pressed felt ones were made because obviously shortages of cork and things like that. So this is one of the economy helmets, and it was done because, well, there are a lot of felt hatters in London. So why not use an industry that you already have? But this one that this new one that I have here is a full cork helmet, as you can see, and it's in relatively decent shape. Obviously, it has a little bit of water damage or whatever on the back, but it's in marvelous shape. So there are the two. Inside, pretty nice too. The liner on this one is actually in better condition than the other one here. But all in all, it would appear that I am a happy clam. So it wasn't all for naught. Kind of chuffed to bits right now. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was worth watching. It's probably going to be very long after the whole eBay part, but I hope you really did, people really did learn something, so that you don't run into what I ran into of collectibles potentially being destroyed. I make fun of it all, but it really is kind of a serious thing that we all should actually be really careful of. Because a lot of these items, there aren't necessarily a whole lot of them left anymore. So take that to the bank with you. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and cheers. So yeah, I'm back because we did forget one thing. We forgot to try it on. Where's my cane? There's my cane. Sir, I should like to buy your finest poppy plantation.
It's the soldiers of the king, my lads, who'll be my lads, who'll sing, my lads, in the fight for England's glory, lads, of its worldwide glory, let us sing.